here I'm locating Anhui Province and Tianshan City. Behind me is our one of industry park for our company. For this industry park, around 94,000
square meters.
and we totally invest around 20 buildings, IMB. Okay, let me guide you to visit us. Welcome! Everyone, this is Alice from Virtual Energy China. Behind me is our showroom.
Here is our enterprise history. We established 10 years already. We start on 2014 April. And the guy is our CEO. And here is our one part of certification. And I wanna special to introduce for our raw materials of cell battery. Here is our cylindrical cell battery and plastic cell battery. And one is portable power station. There's 10 here. And for the portable power station, we are available for 300 watt to 3000 watt. Okay, I go back to here. Okay, and this is for solar light cell battery, and this is module 25.6 volt, 84 ampere hour, and this module is for 12 volt, 24 ampere hour. Okay, here's the details of the pack. The module for commercial energy storage. This one is for air cool module. Okay, and this is for power work, 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, like this, and inverter. Okay, solar street light, and here is for EV charging. The whole system. This model is for 215 kilowatt hour commercial energy storage, and right here is the module of the big system, like that. And here is the demo of the whole system: energy storage system and fan energy storage system, and for home usage and for commercial usage, something like that. This is battery pack module. Okay, and these two big guy is for low speed vehicle car, the commercial energy storage system, and right here have a recycle producing light. Automatic producing light to recycle light. The materials. Okay, this part is our part of corporation, and right here, virtual energy.
I'm going to introducing our automatic cell battery producing light for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, right here is one screen to show all of our reports when we producing cell battery. Okay, let me introduce for you. It's about month order analysis, and it's about the qualities of each cell batteries, and for monthly orders, something like that.
Okay, right here is the all process flow chart. Okay, let's go. Here is the benching process. Okay, let's go. Because we must to control all of the temperature and without any dogs, so The guy is working on theirs. Here is our automatic producing light. Okay. Here is our magnetic workshop. Booting. Okay. Roller separation. Deck cutting. About winding. About assembling light. Injection. Here is the end of the part to pack our cell batteries.
Here is our end of the process of package cell battery. Let's go. Here we can go. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching. Feel free to contact with me if you have any ideas and questions. Thank you.